Welcome to another episode of Understanding Branding. What we'll be looking at today, we learned previously that logo is part or one of the key elements when branding. And today that's what we'll be discussing. We'll be discussing logo. We'll explain deep into it. And then do you know that there are different categories of logo? Stick and stay as I take you through. This is Understanding Branding. My name is Ziba. Logo. What is a logo? A logo is a symbol made up of text and image that identifies a business. So it's a combination of text and image that identifies a company, as simple as that. And when you have a good logo shows what a company does and what the brand values. So any good logo, it shows what the company does and what that particular brand values so much. And when designing a logo, make sure you design a perfect one. Why am I saying so? Because creating logo is all about creating a perfect visual brand for a company. So you create that visual brand for a company. So logo is really important. Now, let's look at the types of logos that we have. Now, I have categorized them into seven different types of logo. Now, let's delve into it and see. One, we have an emblem logo. Now, what is an emblem logo? Now, this is a type that features font, shape, or image inside a geometric shape. So it's a type of logo that features text, symbol, or image inside a geometric shape. And as you can see, these are some examples of emblem logo that we are talking about. Two, the second type of logo is logotype. Logotype. Now, what is a logotype? Now, this logo is composed entirely on the company's name. So it uses the company's name to design or to create the logo. So in this type of logo, you won't see or you won't find any symbol, you won't find any graphic pattern or any emblem. Strictly just the company, and as you can see, and these are some examples of the logo type logo. The next type of logo is what we call the lettermark logo. Lettermark logo. Now, what are these type of logos? Even though I will show the pictures, but what are they? Now, this is where you use the initials of your company name. So let's say the company is Kweku Amayao. So you take the initials of the name. So Kweku K, Ama A, Yao Y. So K-A-Y. So these are the lettermark logo. So you use the initials or use an acronym for your logo. And this is a lettermark logo. The fourth type of logo is the abstract logo. Now, what is the abstract logo? This is made up of image without any letters. So they are just image without letters. The fifth type of logo is the mascot logo. Now, what is a mascot logo? Now, this is a type of logo which involves drawing of a person or non-human entity that receive human form or human attributes. I hope you get it. So these are some examples of the mascot logo. And that is the fifth one, mascot logo. The sixth logo we want to look at is the combination logo. With the combination logo, it is so simple to understand. Now, if you are thinking about logo and you don't know the type that you want to, then you can combine all the pictorial, the letter, the emblem, combined all, or pick some of them, put them together. And that is what we call the combination logo. So you could have pictures and text, pictures, emblem, combined all. And that is the combination logo as you've seen on your screen. So the last one, the seventh logo type, is the pictorial mark logos. Pictorial mark logos. Now, this is similar to the abstract logo. Why? Because this also uses image. So when using this type of logo, I mean the pictorial mark logo, you need to be careful. Why? Because the picture, it has to be extremely representative, because it contains elements that will make your audience associate it with your brand. So when choosing a picture or an image for it, the image needs to represent your company or what you stand for, so that it will make your audience associate it with your brand. These are the examples that you can see on your screen, and that is the last part of it, pictorial mark logo. We've now looked at the types of logos that we have talked about in no particular order. We've talked about mascot, we've talked about emblem, we've talked about logo type, we've talked about pictorial, we've talked about abstract, we've talked about what again, letter mark, combination as well. So these are the types of logo that we have. So when considering a logo for your company, put it to perspective what your brand values are, and then also what you want, or the image that you want to create in your customer's mind before you create them. And now, one important thing is the colors you choose, and that will be the next topic that we will be considering: colors and what they means in the corporate world. This has been Understanding Branding, and my name is Ziba.